Hello friends, this is Surya Padi. Let us talk the document type configuration in S/4HANA for group reporting. This is a configurable item. You can follow the menu path, SAP IMG, SAP S/4HANA for group reporting, master data, and the document types. If you have already installed the best practice content 1SG, you will find all these 41 document types in your system. Try to understand the configuration and attribute of a document type. This is the document type attribute, and here you can see the document type ID, then document type description. Here they have provided a very meaningful description of this document type. They have embedded here the document type ID and the purpose of the document type. The properties of the document types include the posting level, balance check, and the business application. This document type will be used for the posting level 00, and there are other posting levels what you can see in this drop down option. These are the posting level available in the group reporting. There are 13 posting level available in the group reporting, and balance check, you can see that there are three different options available for the balance check. Zero is error when debit is not equal to credit. One is where debit is not equal to credit to give the warning message. Two is no balance check. Business application, where we can use this document type, you can select the options and you can see the business applications, that is consolidation of investment, reclassification, other, online data entry, flexible upload, net profit calculation, rounding, external reported financial data, and posting of the group share. In addition to this, you can define whether this document type will be used for the manual posting or for the automation. In addition to properties and the posting, you can define or configure the currencies that are allowed for this document type. Here we have checked the transaction type, transaction currency, local currency, group currency, and also you can check this checkbox to post quantities. Navigate to the number range and auto reversal. In this case, you can see this document type. The number range is defined based on the version, and this is a special version what we have defined in the version configuration. And if you want to do a auto reversal for this document type, then check this checkbox. And there are other options for selected FS item. If you want to use this document type for particular FS item, then you can configure here. And the sub item assignment option, here you can define additional attribute of the document type that is allowed, and what are the fields will be displayed and what are the fields need to be filled off as a sub assignment option. You can include the configuration of this of the document type into a transport by following more, table view, and click on the transport. It will prompt you to select a transport, or you can create a transport request from this option. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon for upcoming notification. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.